just literally bugging everybody, bro.
My bitch a princess cut, little demon in the cut, go raiding at the church.
What the fuck is he doing, bro? Go! But chat, this shit is crazy, bro. GT in real life. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Damon back with another video. So I was just outside. I just went for dinner, whatever the case is. As you can see the vibes, you feel me? And my boy just hit me up saying they're gonna do a tunnel run. They got Lambo, Ferrari, and some other shit. So I said, why not, bro? Why not bring the Z06 on the tunnel run? You feel me? So I'm gonna start up the Z06 for y'all real quick. Tell me if y'all could hear it, because my shit is super loud, bro. Right now, tell me if y'all could hear it, bro, because I never actually did this before. So look, it's currently 2:26 right now, bro. I just started that shit, so let's see. Oh, that's some other car. I thought it was it for a second, but let me know if y'all can hear it, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, you see what it says Corvette is on? Yo, y'all hear that shit, bro? That shit is crazy, bro. What the fuck? And I'm on a high ass floor, bro. Yo, right now, chat, we're finna go link up with these guys. Finna do a tunnel pull for y'all. Like I told y'all, I'm on this grind, you feel me? So I'm gonna be posting mad content, you feel me? But if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like and subscribe and turn post notifications on, because I'm gonna be posting a lot of bangers, you feel me? So we're finna head down to the car right now, hop inside, link up with my boys, and go terrorize Miami. Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. This shit is getting so fun, like, bro, it's like, yo, bro, listen, I'm gonna be there in less than 5 minutes, literally.
Nah, it's when like security's on our ass, bro.
For real? Yo, I'm literally gonna turn left on Biscayne and then I'm there.
Alright, bet.
Careful. You heard that?
Alright, bet, bro. I'm gonna be there right now. Like, I literally just went inside the crib and then I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do some work. Cause he hit me up when I was coming, going to the crib. And I was like, damn, bro, it's like, if y'all gonna just drive around Brickell, bro, it's gonna look like, you know,
yeah,
what I'm saying?
It's not as fun.
Yeah, it's not as fun, bro. So you say you're gonna hit the tunnel, so I said, I bet I'm gonna grab the Z06. I'm gonna load that bitch up real quick. Yeah, I'm on that grind for real. I feel like, bro, I just wanna make a lot of videos and just post that shit like every day, every other day for y'all.
Oh,
For real. Just the lifestyle, bro. None, no fake shit, just what we do on a regular. You know what I'm saying? So I believe they're over here though. Okay, they said security was trying to tell them they can't park, but yeah, they park literally right in front of the stadium, I believe. I don't know where they at, bro, but yo, bro, this Z06 is crazy, bro. Yo, you know what's crazy? I'm the person, and I'm the reason why a lot of people is buying Z06, bro. Where they at, bro? You're gonna see a colorful ass Ferrari. You're gonna see a Christmas.
Oh, I saw it.
It was them. Bro, it's not Christmas no more, bro. My boy's still rocking it though. I fuck with it. Alright, chat, so this is the lineup right here. You feel me? Got an M4 at the front. Actually, I'm gonna go to the side so
I can take more.
Actually, they're gonna run the
clips.
Yeah, they're gonna run the red light. Yo.
I put the lights.
Huh?
I put the lights on your car.
Oh yeah, right?
Bro, that shit's, I want to hear it now.
Oh yeah, in fact, you're gonna see it, bro.
Let's see it.
I bet. Alright, chat, so what he was talking about is, I mean, I did not post a video yet, but I will post a video. I did put Christmas tree lights on my car right here, the Z06, and I paid him to do it, but it's just such a small world we live in. He's the one that did it on my car. So now he say he want to hear it because he just put it on my car pretty much. But small ass world we live in, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy for real. But we're gonna hit the tunnel. Hopefully everything goes well. Everything is gonna go well, bro. They said this Oricon right here is fully straight piped, right? So
that shit can zoom.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the Ferrari is the one with the fucking...
Yeah, with the lights. Why didn't you turn it on, bro? Bro should turn the lights on, bro. Look how I'm gonna surprise everybody. Yo, there's always cops over here.
Yeah, you think they
right?
heard that?
Bro, they gotta hear it, bro.
Oh shit.
They blocked us off?
No, they coming.
Yo, go. Go, bro, go, yo, go, bro. Yeah. What the fuck is he doing, bro? Go.
I mean, they can't do anything, can they?
I don't know, bro. Oh my God, bro. Come on, go. Go, bro. Go.
Are you gonna zoom?
I don't know, but I'm going.
Selling that dope out of France.
It's GTA, nigga, GTA!
Oh shit! Yo!
Oh shit.
Niggas pulled up straight to the car, bro.
I hope it's too. I hope
Yo!
we gotta take the exit. We gotta take the exit.
Yeah,
No?
fuck that. I think they're gonna keep this kid, bro. Yo, that shit
Where
crazy.
did the cop go?
Now he's all the way up there. I think they're gonna keep this kid, bro.
Oh. This is insane, bro.
Bro, this is crazy. Yo, bro, Z06 is literally mugging everybody, bro. Every car, bro. This Z06 is mugging every car, bro. I swear to God. What the fuck? Oh shit.
Wow.
Wait, wasn't there another one? Okay, he's at the front. Okay.
Shit.
Yeah, bro, I saw him. Shit is crazy, bro. Yo, you know what's crazy? Yo,
Is that yours truck in the back?
nah, that's a Benz. You know what's crazy, bro?
Is he sliding with us too?
No. You know what's crazy?
What?
Yesterday when we did this drive over there and came back, fucking Jeff, he got pulled over, bro.
Is he good though?
He's good. He said the cop was cool. But what happened is that we went over there, then we came back, and he said the cop said the first person that left, he was gonna stop. And me and Jeff was the first person that left, but we ended up splitting up. You know, he go to his crib, I went to mine, and the cop was following him. So let's see. Motherfucker. And I'm leaving this bitch on. Alright, let's go see what's up. Turn the lights on. Bro said he's not staying at the back, bro. Bro said he's not staying at the back, bro. But you see the vibes, bro. Yo, this shit is so nice, bro. Like, yo, get you a Z06, bro. That's all I can tell y'all. Go buy a fucking Z06, bro. Like, this shit is crazy. Like,
This shit's stupid. Yo, this is real life GTA, bro.
real life GTA shit, bro. Like, for real, for real.
My friends that follow in real life. Yeah.
If y'all don't want to buy a Z06, buy a Lambo. Lambo right here, my boy. This shit is full of straight pipe. Shit is fire. If not a Z06, it's not a Lambo, buy a Ferrari. Put Christmas tree lights on it. And if y'all don't want either or, get an M4. This is the perfect lineup, bro. These car right here is like the perfect. So yeah, if y'all trying to get one of these right here, just lock in. Lock in, bruh. But this lineup is crazy.
Alright, bro, I'm about to call it a night. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, bro, facts. Me too, bro.
It's fucking late, nigga. It's
3 in the morning. And last night was the same shit too, bro.
Yeah. Hey, boxes tomorrow?
Yeah, we link up tomorrow, bro. For sure. Hold up. You said what?
Bring me yours up tomorrow.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna get a chat. This shit is crazy, bro. GT in real life. This shit is crazy. I want to get another Lambo, bro.
This shit is, bro, honestly, this shit stands out. Like,
Yeah, bro. More than the Lambo, right?
this shit, I don't know why it's cooler than those, but the Ferrari obviously has its own more.
Yeah, facts, bro. Facts.
Ferrari, bro.
You wrapped it? I mean, you did the starlights on that?
I was no, I didn't put those lights. Those,
Okay.
I don't even know how he makes like, it's like a design.
Oh yeah, I
Like,
know.
don't
Because
how,
it's a different
but they
different
keep
light.
turning off on it.
Yeah?
I don't know why.
I don't know. But yeah, bro, the Z06 is crazy, huh?
You get a lot of girls.
Nah, I don't get no girls, bro. Oh, with the lights?
Yeah.
Oh, no, not really. Yo, I added on, right? And then I took it off like a week after. It was good, but I wanted to like drive the car to chill.
Yeah.
And then the lights was on it like mad people, and I was like, damn, bro.
Exactly.
I didn't want to drive with mad
stands
people.
out.
Yeah, bro, facts.
You
So
got pulled over.
at least I made a video out of it and everything. I just need to post it, so I was like, all right, bet, that's good.
That shit is fun. Did you ever drive like a Stingray?
Bro, you know what's crazy? I bought a Stingray first,
Yeah.
and I had it for like 1 week, and then I sold it and get a Z06. Because the Stingray was too slow, bro.
Bro, because I want to buy a Stingray or a C706.
I mean, you could get the Stingray, like, but for me, bro, it's like, I just want the speed, bro. The Stingray is nice, it's like the same shit, but the Z06 is just way faster.
It's wider, though.
Yeah, wider,
It's
yeah.
way nicer.
Yeah,
And the quad exhaust.
yeah, bro. It's a totally different car, but it's, you know, it looks the same.
Yeah. This looks more like a supercar. The other one looks like a sports car.
Yeah, facts. All right, y'all, so as I can see, yo, the Z06 is like literally one of my favorite car I ever bought, bro. But if y'all been trying to get a Z06, this should be the reason why you should get a Z06. So make sure when y'all get your Z06, hit me up and be like, yo, bro, you inspired me, bro, or some shit, you know what I'm saying? Show some love, bro. But, bro, this shit is crazy. That's gonna be it. I will be posting a lot more content on the car, you feel me? I got some more mods that I'm gonna get done to the car. Like, I'm planning on putting not Christmas tree lights. I'm planning on putting like starlights inside of it.
Starlights on the roof?
Yeah, because I see somebody got a Stingray. Yeah, with starlights. With the roof comes off. So I got somebody that's gonna try to do that shit. When I do that, I'm gonna install it, make a video installing it and show you guys, oh, y'all could do it for your cars also. Feel me? But bro, this shit is beautiful, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. This shit right here stands out so much. Literally like one of the best cars for the money, bro. One of the best cars y'all could have for less than 150K, bro. You feel me? But yeah, I hope y'all do like the video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and turn post notifications on because we will be posting a lot more videos for y'all. So that's gonna be it. Appreciate y'all. Peace out.